I've been so excited to share this recipe with you all. It is for a strawberry crack salad. It is very similar ingredients to the strawberry pretzel salad, but this is just a deconstructed type. What you're going to need for the topping is 1 cup of pretzels chopped, 1/2 cup of pecans chopped, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 3/4 cup of melted butter. For the strawberries, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 to 3 cups of diced strawberries, an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, and 1/8 ounce of cream cheese. So let's put this together. We're going to make that pretzel topping, and we're going to bake it for 7 to 9 minutes in a 400-degree oven. Okay, we're going to chop 1 cup of pretzels. Need a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and put my stick 1/2 of butter in the microwave to melt. So 3/4 cup of melted butter, which would be 1 1/2 stick. Now I'm going to go ahead and chop my pecans. Well, actually, those are about chopped up good. Put some more pecans in there. All right. We've got our butter melted. Let's go ahead and pour our pecans in. Pour our pretzels in. I probably should have got a bigger bowl. And then we're going to need three-fourths of a cup of brown sugar. So 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Yeah, I might have to switch that to a bigger bowl. Oh boy, that smells really good. It smells almost like a toffee. That's going to be good. That's going to be really good. I'm going to set it over here to our oven. Preheats to 400. And we'll put our filling together, or our strawberry salad together, while our topping is waiting to go in the oven. And I know people hate when I use this, but I'm going to make sure that my cream cheese is softened enough. We're going to use 8 ounces of cream cheese and Cool Whip. So I'm going to put my cream cheese in here and soften it for just a second. It's pretty soft. I've had it sitting out. We are going to use the mixer for this part. Yeah, that's pretty soft. We're going to put 1 tub of Cool Whip. I'm using 0 sugar. Okay. Put that in there with it. And then we're going to add a ½ cup sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. So some vanilla, about a teaspoon, and a ½ cup of sugar. I was going to use a mixer, but you know what? I may not need to. This might mix it pretty good. And then we're going to add our strawberries to it. I think it'll mix up fine without a mixer. But you can do it with a mixer if you want to. It'll make it, don't have any lumps. If you do use a mixer, I suggest you mix the cream cheese before you add the Cool Whip. Or I would have probably used the mixer. I didn't think about that. So, learn from my mistake. If you're going to use a mixer, do it before you add the Cool Whip. Okay. All right. Now let's cut our strawberries up. This is really quick. This don't take long at all. And it's delicious. It goes really far. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. Let me put my pretzel topping in the oven. The oven just beat. I've got my pretzel topping here. We're just gonna put it all right in here. That butter is still on the bottom there. Probably got more than what we need, but it's okay. You can use some in the salad, then you can leave some on the side to add as you eat it because it will get soggy. This recipe was shared from Miss Annie's Kitchen. I'll make sure that I link her recipe link down below in the description box. And I'll put the measurements on the screen. All right, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 7 to 9 minutes. All right, let's start up and see if we need to add some more, if that's enough. I'm prepared to add them all, so I think we definitely can if we want to. I may leave some for my grandbabies for Grammy's school tomorrow. They love fruit. I'll add a few more. All right. All right. I think we're good until we're ready to serve it. Don't that look delicious? Okay, guys, I just got this out of the oven. Look at it. It's like bark almost. Or what would you call that? What's that stuff that Mommy liked, Chad? Pecan, brittle, peanut brittle. But it's pecans and pretzels and brown sugar and butter. Don't it look delicious? So we're going to set it here. It says to stir it and to set it and let it cool. So we're going to do that. Then we're going to come back and try a bite, okay? Okay, so our pretzel pecan topping is done. It's a little bit warm, but not really. And it's gotten firm, so you can see how it's sticking together. So, I'm going to take and put Chad some of the strawberries and cream in there. And then I'm going to take and put some, I know one thing, I make a mess when I do anything. But I think he's going to love this. I really do. Look at that, how good that looks. All right, Chad's out in the screen room. We're going to go out here and let him do a taste test for us. Okay. This is strawberry pretzel salad.
Strawberry
now,
pretzel salad.
Before you try it, do you remember me making a strawberry pretzel? It was a pretzel bottom, and then it had strawberries with this red strawberry jello, and then the top was Cool Whip, I think. This is a make of that, almost like a deconstructed one, but it don't have jello in it. So see what you think.
It smells like being in Gatlinburg in the candy store.
Yeah, it does. It makes like a toffee smells. That's that brown sugar
which is really enticing. That's a very different taste from that to the strawberries. Sweet and the crunchy. That is wild. My taste buds don't know what's going on. I like that.
Guys, I forgot. It says to add some of this to the strawberry mixture before you serve it. Then keep some of it for the topping. That's what I forgot. And I think it'll be a lot better that way. So you mix it in there. But it doesn't, she did say, Miss Annie did say, that it will get soggy. So you have to eat it sort of, you know, quickly. Can't keep it in the fridge forever. Let's try it that way. That's a lot better. Yeah, do that. That's amazing. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. It's really simple and easy to put together. It doesn't take very many ingredients. And it's absolutely delicious. It's perfect for a hot summer day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.